Begin by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. As you launch the application, take a moment to ensure that you have a stable working environment with all files you may need readily available. The first step is to simply open PowerPoint so that you can start working on your presentation projects. Once PowerPoint is running, the next step is to navigate to your presentation. Whether you are beginning a new project or editing an existing one, you should locate and open the file you wish to update. Take a few seconds to review the contents of your presentation, confirming that it is the correct file for making design changes. This preparation will help ensure that the adjustments you are about to make will apply to the intended document. When your presentation is open, it is time to transition to the design aspects of your project. Look at the ribbon menu at the top of your screen and move your cursor to the tab labeled Design. The Design tab is home to several tools that allow for customization of the overall look of your presentation. Understanding that the design elements influence the visual impact of your slides, focus on this area to keep your content visually consistent throughout your project. Within the Design tab, pay attention to the drop-down options associated with variants. This drop-down control is your gateway to further customization options. When you click on the Variants drop-down, you'll be presented with a range of aesthetic choices that have been predefined. This feature is designed to provide you with a variety of options for enhancing the look of your slides, making it easier to match your content with a theme that feels right for your audience. After opening the Variants drop-down, the next action is to click on the option labeled Colors. Selecting colors will lead you into a set of theme color options that PowerPoint has built into the program. This section is specifically organized to offer a preset and harmonious color scheme that will unify your slides. By clicking colors, you are given the chance to choose from various color palettes that correspond to different moods and presentation styles. Finally, take your time to review the available theme color options that appear. At this stage, the focus is on selecting the theme color that best suits the tone and content of your presentation. Carefully consider the shades, contrasts, and overall atmosphere that each palette offers. If you are aiming for a modern, minimalist look, or if you need something more vibrant to capture attention, use the preview function to see how the new colors will look on your slides before finalizing your choice. Throughout this process, remember that the goal is to ensure a seamless integration between your content and your chosen design. Each of these steps has been arranged to help you make deliberate, thoughtful design decisions. As you progress from opening the program, selecting your file, navigating to the Design tab, accessing variants, clicking on colors, and finally choosing your theme color, you are taking methodical steps toward achieving a polished and coherent presentation. For additional design ideas or reference materials, consider visiting design resource websites such as Double for visual inspiration and guidance.